Now I want to discuss about the square root function. This is the square root function that we always use. The first one is the y equal to square root s. When y equal to square root s, the shape of the graph is go through the quadrant one. This one is the quadrant one. This is because when s equal to 1, y equal to square root 1 and y equal to 1. When s equal to 4, y equal to square root 4 and y equal to 2. So we can know that the graph direction is go to the positive way, so it will become at the quadrant 1. The second one is the y equal to negative square root s. This one is at the quadrant 4. This because when s equal to 1, y equal to negative square root 1, so it will become negative 1. When s equal to 4, y equal to negative square root 4, and the graph will become y equal to negative 2. So we can know that the graph will go toward the negative value of the y, so it will become at the down part. So y equal to negative square root s will become like this, the shape. The third one is the y equal to square root negative s. This one is different from the b ones because the b is y equal to negative square root s and c is the y equal to square root negative s. Square root negative s is not the imaginary number because s is an algebra. So when s equal to negative 1, y also become the square root 1 and 1. So it has the value, and the value will go through the positive value of the y when s equal to negative. So the graph will at the quadrant 2, and the direction is like this. Next is the d. D is the y equal to negative square root negative s. This one is like when s equal to negative 1, y equal to negative square root 1 time with negative 1. So you become the negative square root 1, negative square root 1, and you become the negative 1. So when s equal to negative 1, y also become the negative 1. So we can get that when the value of the s is negative and the value of the y will become also negative. So the graph will go through the quadrant 3, and the shape of the graph is like this. May someone will ask why it does not have the positive value of the s. So we can see that when s equal to 1, y equal to square root 1 negative square root negative 1. So it will become the imaginary number. So this one does not have the value, so we cannot draw the graph. And for the output also same like this. So now we discuss about the e. This one is when the y equal to square root s plus 2. This one plus 2 is outside the square root. So it will increase the value of the y intercept. So actually this one is the value of the y intercept, which is the graph intercept with the y-axis. So this is this one. For the f, if the value is inside the square root, it will become the graph will move towards the x-axis. Like when y equal to square root s negative 1, the graph will move to the right 1 unit. This because we need to let the s minus 1 equal to 0, so s equal to 1. So the starting part of this graph is 1. S equal to 1, y equal to 0. Same as the d, if we use the this is why we need to use the x minus 1 equal to 0, because when x is less than 1, maybe we use x equal to 0 lah. So we will get y equal to square root 0 negative 1, and we will get square root negative 1. It will become the imaginary number, so we cannot get this value. It's same with the d. So this is the theory. Now we look at the example. For this one, we can know that this one is the y-intercept. And this one is the value on the x-axis, is the x-intercept. So we can draw the graph. X-intercept is 2 and y-intercept is negative 2. So we will start here and draw the graph like this. That's all.